Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Here I have the Hello Kitty flip phone. This is a very cute and very unique looking phone. It's pretty much your standard flip phone, dumb phone thing. And here you could see a very cute keypad with little flowers and Hello Kitty plastered all over, little hearts. You could see that her face is actually kind of the shape of the phone. We're going to go ahead and power it on right here, and you're going to hear a nice little jingle. So here you can see we already have a SIM card inside the phone. We have a Simple Mobile SIM card, and that goes through T-Mobile, and that is why it shows T-Mobile. We've closed the phone, and we could see that her nose and eyes light up, along with a water dropping sound, which I actually find quite soothing. Yes, it makes that sound every time you open and close the phone. So what's it like to text on one of these phones? Well, we're going to find out right now. If you've ever used one of these phones way back in the day before an iPhone, most of us had a Motorola Razr or Crazer phone, one of those variations. If you wanted the H, for example, you had to type in the number 4 twice, and then if you wanted the letter I, you tap the number 4 3 times. Just as you see I'm doing right here, that's what that little menu at the bottom is. Now your punctuations, you had to guess whether it was the star, the number button, or the 0 button. In this case, it was a star button, and it gives you a nice layout of punctuations to use. So here I am sending a simple text message to our store's phone number. And we're pressing send. And what do you know? It actually sent a text message. I'm just kidding, obviously it's going to send a text message. It is a real phone, you guys. And here you could see. So I'm going to respond, and we're going to see how this sounds when it receives a text message. I feel like I have been blessed. Not a real fan of that sound. But here you go. Here is a text message that I received. To erase one letter, it seems that we just press the clear button. Send, 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 send. Back then you had to press send like 20 times before it actually sent. And now we're going to try a call. You're going to see a call coming in. So I know you can't really hear it on the camera, but when you actually put it up against your ear talking to normally, you can actually hear this phone very, very clear. So I give it that. Let's see if we could save a contact on here. I don't think I saved it. So it looks like you have to hit save so it could actually save the information. This is all that's in the calling app. Here you could see one SIM, SIM 1, speed dial. You used to just be able to hold a number and dial it. So for multimedia, it looks like I'll need a memory card. Looks like we need a memory card for everything. Ooh, radio. Let me go get the headphones. For some of y'all that may not know, some simple phones have FM radios inside them, and they use the headphones as the antenna on it. That is why it requires headphones, and the radio will not work without them. Oh wow, so as soon as you plug them in, you can hear the radio jamming loud. These are some loud earbuds. The quality's just like you'd expect on any other headset. Here we used to have 102.1 The Edge. Shout out to anybody who went to Edge Fest 16. I think that was one of my first concerts. Very, very good one. So let's browse through the settings. So I think you scan this with your QR code. We'll go over that another time. Schedule power on and power off. So the phone can regularly power down and power up. Flight mode, display, wallpaper. Can we change it? There is no more wallpapers. Show date, that's it. Flight mode is obviously for airplane mode. LCD backlight. Let's not mess with that. Security. Network. Something I don't usually want to mess around with. And data account for when you needed to connect to the internet to the phone, but let's be real, who's going to be using this device? Bluetooth for earpiece or transferring data, possibly. Calendar. Here's a nice professional looking calendar. Looks like we can jump to a specific date or just go for today. Calculator, your standard calculator. Let's make sure that this still works. So 2 plus 2 is still 4. Good calculator. Sound recorder, memory card, alarm. As a matter of fact, since this makes not so great sound, maybe this could be a good alarm clock to wake up to. And e-reader. Who is going to be using this as an e-reader? I know I am. So let's go ahead and get a memory card in here. So I think you guys probably saw that I took the memory card out of the phone and I forgot I had one in there, but also I noticed that I believe I didn't have it in the right format. So I connected it to my computer, formatted it, and I'm putting it back in. There you could see the 2 slots for the 2 SIM cards, one normal sized, one nano sized, and one memory card inside of this cute, tiny, limited edition phone. Time for the jingle! Alright, scrolling to multimedia and okay, so it's reading the memory card. So let me put some files on it from the computer and we will be right back. Since the camera's not working, I put a picture. Okay. It's a JPEG, so... Alright, well let's try audio. Alright. Let's go to the file manager. Memory card. Open. Okay. There is my intro song. Wow. It's playing pretty loud actually. Way higher than the call. Yeah. Aww. If you close it, it stops. A little bit of shameless self-promotion there. Let's take a look at the videos. Pizza delivery. Some of you might know this one. And, oh, click play. Oh yeah. Watching TV on a tiny screen. Oh look, the full screen button. So if you're wondering if you could play your videos on the go with this device, even if it's all you can afford, or if you want to give it to your kids, you can give them this and they'll be entertained for hours to come. And it sounds great. This is actually the use that I didn't think this phone would be very good in, but it's where it shines the best. I hope you guys enjoyed playing with this phone as much as I did. Found some interesting things about it. So if you like this video, like it, subs up if you like it, and comment down below with some other things you'd want me to check out.